Let me make sure I swoopity swoop, pushy push, right back into place so we stay with no lace.
You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo.
What's up? Your eyes do not deceive you. Now before we get in to the what the F is going on with my face and the details on this review, baby, definitely hit that subscribe button, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mika Lynn. We are gonna hop right into this. First and foremost, your girl is trying to up her skincare regimen. Mother time is slowly approaching. So I'm trying to look 40 when I'm 60. So I'm gonna go in and actually take care of a few things on my face before we get into this review. So the first thing I am going to use is something that's been on the streets for a minute. This is by The Ordinary, and this is the hyaluronic acid. I hope I said that right. So I am going to actually go in and wet my face just a little bit more because this does draw moisture. So this is supposed to be a hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. It does have a dropper, and I'm just going to put like one drop here, one drop here, maybe one drop here, and I got a little bit on my lip. Okay, I'm so heavy-handed. I'm so tempted to go in with more, but I'm gonna leave it at that. Now I'm gonna go in with another product by The Ordinary. This is the Caffeine Solution 5% EGCG, which reduces appearance of eye contour, pigmentation, and of puffiness. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with the moisturizing cream by Cetaphil. Listen, this is a not so cheap moisturizing cream, but you will hopefully see why it's worth it. And bam, there we go, baby. We glowing. Someone suggested that I put the caffeine solution in the fridge and keep it there, use it, and it'll be a cooling effect, which will also help with the puffiness. I may give that a try, but yeah, your girl just needs to up the ante. And so far, I must say I'm kind of digging what I'm seeing. I've noticed a little bit of an improvement. I don't know if I'm all the way here for the caffeine solution when it comes to my dark circles, but we shall see. You guys see me when I first come on camera, so if I can stay consistent with it and we see a difference in it, so if you're interested in those items, I do believe I have them linked in my Amazon storefront. You can definitely check that out. So let's go ahead and get right into this review. Damn. Listen, if you ever want to know my love language, it's food, money, and a textured wig. Yeah, so Outre, I don't know who y'all got in charge. What happened? I don't know if y'all, you know, made some movements, some mergers, whatever, but whoever is in charge of making sure that this texture is on point, please keep doing what you're doing. Silk press all the way. And I do appreciate no bumped ends. Can we do a round of applause, please? Just one moment. A nice general amount of lace on here, and it is, of course, I already know it's going to be brown girl friendly. My usual stuff, I'm going in with the even tinted lace spray, and I need more. This is in the medium dark brown color, and I've been lately trying to go really light-handed. I tend to use a lot of product, and it's not just like with wigs. I'm very heavy-handed. Lace, once you take it off, you can't put it back. Now I know a few people use this method, you know, whatever. my eyesight isn't really that good when it comes to this type of stuff, so I do cut everything on the mannequin head now. It just gives me a cleaner cut. I'm able to cut more of the lace off and see where I'm going, and this right here actually helps me see where I need to cut. Now, biggest word of advice: take your time, sis, because once you cut it off, it won't grow back, baby. Alright, so another bestie decided to visit the channel. Bam. She's locked and loaded, ready to go. I have it on standby just in case. So we are going to go ahead and do a first impression. Pliggity plopped on the head. I think I'm going to use the elastic band. Alright, so... oh, look at this. Now from the side, this is looking pretty dang melted. Not so much. With whatever I can pull from this can, girl, we are in dire straits. My can is gone. However, I have some left on the nozzle. So I'm just going to wet it a little bit. See what I can get on here on this little small broken brush. And... okay. I think we can finesse this. Yo, okay. Listen. Outre. I got a Christmas dinner plate waiting for y'all. I'm gonna go in with just the Nairobi spray or mousse. And I don't want to do anything shellac to my head, so wish me luck, y'all.
Yeah, no escaping from my mind, but low key, you know that you one of a kind. Wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know, I know. You are the type that they warn me about, yeah. When I'm with you, all the wrong feels so right, yeah. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, nyama tengwe olo, nyama tengwe o, nyama tende olo, nyama tende o. She said, let me know when you.
Listen, is it fall yet? Your girl's right back in Aspen, ready to hit them slopes. Whew. Yes, baby, we are looking nice and icy. This is a part of the Melted Hairline collection. She's a frontal effect hairline, of course. HD transparent lace. She is in 22 inches. Comes in a number of colors as always. Your girl did go with a number 2. Looking on the websites, this unit is ranging in price, okay? Okay. The cheapest I see right now is $42.99. She does go up to $61.99 depending on which site you go to. Direct Google link down below. Slay accordingly. Now this hairline. This hairline, listen, the baby hairs, the hairline is just simply freaking on point. I kept the baby hairs nice and subtle, kind of just created some real nice subtle edges. I didn't want anything shellac to my head. Baby hairs really don't make a big entrance on this channel, so I did keep it nice, wispy, dry, nice and messy, if you will, and I think this came together so dang good. Yes, honey. Oh yes, she's glueless and she's talking. So let me make sure I swoopity swoop, pushy push right back into place. So we stay with no lace. Lace flat. Considering that the tracks are going along the parting space, it does look really, really good. I did go in with that brush blow dryer. It has been making pretty much appearance from here on out. So I did use that along the ends of this unit. For me personally, I'm not really into the bumped ends on the wig. Sometimes they can kind of go every which way. And yeah, I like nice, subtle, sleek, and straight, baby. And that is the case with this. So it definitely did the job. Nice natural density on here. So you do not have to worry about it being too much or too little. I don't even think any tracks show in the back. This is a nice, simple, but such a freaking classy everyday look. And this is just going to be perfect for the rest of summer, and it will take you right into fall. Big thank you to Outre for sending out the unit. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Definitely hit that subscribe button before you go. Share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Drop your girl a comment down below. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next.
Why you gotta be so cold sometimes?